Hello everybody, and I'm Abhinav, and now we're going to make the ping pong multiplayer game. It's going to look something like this. Now, okay, so this is the game, so we can start playing it. So for the red paddle, we use the WASD keys, while on the blue paddle, we use the arrow keys. So this is how we play. Two people can play this game. It's a game for two people and not for just one person. The ball has its random direction. Okay, if it touches the green color, it is the blue guy gets the point, and if it touches the yellow color, the red guy gets the point. Okay, let's now we'll make a multiplayer game. One player has to put the controls WSD, W and S, and the other player has arrow keys, but we're going to use only up and down arrow. Likewise, WASD, we're going to use only WNS because we're going to control only the movement upwards and downwards of the arrows. So the concepts use that, the concept of direction. So let's see. So we have to make this background first, backdrop. Backdrop was somewhat like this, what you made, but only this much can be seen, so this can be extended. Then we made another backdrop called game over, so you could just broadcast game over. Now for the paddles, I use this. We make two paddle sprites and give code. So this is one paddle sprite, and this is the other paddle sprite. So this is the other paddle sprite. So now giving code to player one to move. That's the paddle. Here's the first paddle we're gonna move. That's the blue paddle. So when flag is clear, we're gonna set X to this 200 position. That's here. This is the 200 position. This would be the 159. So this is 200. Yeah. So this is 200. As you can see in this X box here. And the Y can be set anywhere on the screen. So because anyways we'll be controlling the Y later. Now if I press the up arrow, it goes up. That changes the Y by 10 steps. And if I play the down arrow, it changes the Y by minus 10 steps. Same code we're going to give for the other player also, just that we're going to set X to minus 200 this time, and we're going to set the W key to change Y by 10 and the S key to minus 10. And the Y can be set to 0. We set to 0, and we're going to give the codes for the ball to start. There's a little extra code. Okay, we're going to take this code, that's the 180 plus this part. We'll see this part. So if you're asking the ball to go to 0, 0 position, that's the center of the screen, and we're going to go to X of 0, Y of 0, the center. We're going to point in direction 180 plus direction. So it can pick random from 80 to minus 80, whichever one, and then forever move 10 steps. So in that direction, we're going to move 10 steps. If it's on the edge, to bounce back. So if it's on the edge, we can make it bounce back. So here the directions explained better. So 80, so 110, 180, and 70. So this is the initial direction, that's 180. Then it can choose between 80 and 80. So it chooses minus 80 here, choose 80 here. Okay, then we'll be going to go to bounce off the paddle. How do we make the ball bounce off the paddle? Okay, the code for bouncing off the paddle. Yes, this is the code for bouncing off the paddle. The code for the bouncing of the paddle is here to here. Yeah. So if touching paddle left or touching paddle right, then we're going to point in direction whatever direction it was plus 180. So it's the opposite. I'll show you some examples a little later. So, for example, if it was this direction, then 180 plus 180 plus this direction. Let's maybe this. It will go in this direction. So that's how we'll be doing. And just to make the ball not go like this. So in one constant direction, we will be just using the we will just be using the 10, 20. So we'll be just using another pick random 10 to 20. So the ball doesn't go in the same direction always, and the player won't be able to do anything. Okay. Some examples. Let's say the direction of the ball was 120. This means that the ball goes in the direction of 120, and when it touches the barrel, it will reflect back on direction 3 times. That is also called minus 50 in brackets 120. What is the additional direction? Plus 180 plus pick random 10 to 20 anything. So I just picked up a random number 10. This will keep continuing. So next direction will be 140. That's 180 plus minus 150 plus 10. Again, I picked up 10. You could pick up anything. Let's say direction is 210. So another example. That is also minus 150. This means the direction of minus 150, and when it touches the paddle, it will reflect back on direction 40. That's minus 150 plus 80 minus 10. Okay, yeah, it's okay, this is plus 10, not minus 10. Plus 10. This keeps on continuing in the next direction. Will be 230. That's 40, it's 180 plus 10, and so on. So this is what's important, the direction. Okay, now we're going to give score to both the sprites. We need to score the game, right? So we're going to use when touching. Let me start again. So when touching this yellow color, so we're going to first create two variables called player one score and player two score. We don't need the my value, or you could have just renamed my value. 0 if touching color yellow. Then change player one score by 5 and wait for 2 seconds so it doesn't give points continuously. And the ball by chance also gets stuck. Player 2 scores a same day. We're going to create a variable 2 and we're going to set it to 0. If touching color this side green, then give this paddle extra score of 5. I mean, not an extra score itself, we're going to give us 5 and wait for 2 seconds. The game usually never ends as whoever it just keeps on going. So the link to this same ping pong game given us here. So if I click it, we go to the ping pong game. So that's it. So and there's a little extra code also here. I'll show you. So okay, we can also add a little extra code like this. If whoever comes to 50 first, they wins. So let us check that extra code. And if it's always if the direction is 0, you can again ask it to set it to 0 and it's a little thing. Okay, so let's see if let's make player blue win. It's just like that. There's something the player blue has to win, but I don't have another player with me right now, so okay, so okay, whoever reaches 25 first. Okay, I'm gonna play with both hands. Okay, so whoever reaches 25, I'm sorry, 50 first is the winner of the game. 5, 5, It depends on who wins now. Okay, 40. Okay, 45. He just needs to get another 10 points and the game is on. You could have also asked that picked of height, but right now we didn't. So please do check out the project and try it out. It's a very easy one. So that's it. Thank you.